Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web hosting with Bluehost, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in web hosting with Bluehost, start by visiting the Bluehost website. Take a moment to explore the various hosting plans offered. Select the plan that best suits your needs. For beginners, the basic plan is often a great starting point. Click on the Get Started button for your chosen plan. Next, you will be prompted to choose a domain name. If you already have a domain, you can enter it in the provided field. If not, consider brainstorming a unique name that reflects your brand. After selecting your domain, proceed to fill out your account information. Provide your name, email address, and password for account creation. Next, choose your desired package details. Select the billing cycle that works best for you, whether monthly or yearly. Review any additional features you'd like to add, such as domain privacy protection. Once you're satisfied, enter your payment information to complete the order. After confirming your purchase, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to access your Bluehost account. Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can set up your website. Utilize the website builder tools if you're looking for an easy setup. Alternatively, install a content management system like WordPress for more customization. After your website is set up, explore the marketing tools offered by Bluehost. Consider using the SEO tools to enhance your online presence. Make sure to monitor your website regularly for performance and updates. Stay informed about any new features or offers from Bluehost. With dedication, you can effectively invest in your web hosting needs through Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.